Welcome to this authentic brownstone beauty. Experience the timeless elegance of New York City in a meticulously preserved building. Built in 1920, this charming one-bedroom retreat is in the heart of the Upper West Side. Tranquil ambience with high ceilings, hardwood floors, exposed brick, and abundant natural south sunny light. The oversized windows frame the pleasant and peaceful street and tree views. The ornate fireplace is the perfect nook for cozy New York City evenings. In this apartment, modern amenities meet classic design. Plus, there's a skylight. Leaving the building, turn right, go approximately a half block, and you arrive at beautiful Riverside Park. Dive into the quintessential Upper West Side lifestyle with this unmatched brownstone offering. Find your dream New York City home right here at 335 West 85th Street. Contact Joe Truglio with Brown Harris Stevens to experience this Upper West Side sanctuary for yourself.